Look, if you've never put tire chains on your car, this can be kind of intimidating, but it doesn't have to be, and it's not that hard. I'm going to show you how to do it right here pretty quickly. First thing you need to do is lay the chains out and make sure they're untangled, because if they're tangled, you're going to have a mess. The next thing you want to do is feed the chain through left to right behind the tire. Use the cable that is covered to do this. To separate that cable here and here in order to get that done. Once that's complete, center that cable behind your tire and make sure those chains are untangled once again. It just makes it a lot easier if they're not tangled before you start this. Now you're going to connect the cables from here and on the other side here, and you're going to pull those cables out behind your tire to the top and connect them together like this right here. The next thing you're going to do is to attach the last link of the chain to that clip and leave yourself plenty of room, because you'll need to make a little more adjustment here and get these centered on your tire before you do the bottom part. Now, in my case, my chains are blue and silver and the clips are red and green, but you may have different colors depending on the manufacturer of your chains, but they all work basically the same. You're going to take that bottom chain and you're going to run it through that clip. Once you've got it in that clip, pull it back across through one of these S clips and then back across the tire and clip up at the top. Make sure everything's tight and straight and you should be good to roll.